20 years of nuclear decommissioning. The UK's proud nuclear journey began in the 1940s at the Atomic Energy Research Establishment and the launch of the first research reactors. In 1956, Queen Elizabeth II opened Calder Hall, making it the world's first nuclear power station for domestic electricity. 3 years later, the UK's first low-level radioactive waste repository opened. By the 1960s, Dounreay was powering the national grid. And in 1975, Pacific Nuclear Transport Limited was founded to ship nuclear fuel. The second generation of British nuclear reactors began life in 1976, with the first advanced gas-cooled reactor coming online. In the mid-90s, Direct Rail Services was launched to manage the rail transport of nuclear material. Over the decades, the UK secured its place in nuclear history. With this proud legacy came the responsibility of decommissioning the UK's early nuclear sites and facilities. In 2005, the NDA was established to ensure the safe, secure and efficient clean-up of the UK's nuclear past, safeguarding the future. A string of firsts followed. Our strategy in 2006 set the roadmap for nuclear decommissioning. Also that year, we released our first land back to the community at Berkeley. In 2007, our inaugural socio-economic policy paved the way for £277 million of future community investments. In 2008, we launched the Nuclear Graduate Programme. In 2009, we took on waste from the Ministry of Defence and opened Energous, a skills and training centre, which became integral to our investment in apprentices. In 2011, the Sellafield workforce began retrieving waste from the site's high-hazard facilities in the Pile Fuel Storage Pond, and in 2015, International Nuclear Services transferred the first unirradiated fuel from Dounreay to Sellafield. In 2016, Sellafield became an NDA subsidiary, starting the creation of the NDA Group. In the same year, Dounreay successfully removed highly reactive coolant from its fast reactor. In 2017, Direct Rail Services introduces new electric locomotives to cut fuel use and emissions. In 2018, we started the search for a geological disposal facility, as the year also saw Sellafield's historic Thorpe plant close after reprocessing 9,000 tonnes of spent nuclear fuel and generating £9 billion in revenue. In 2019, we placed the first Magnox site into care and maintenance as the Bradwell workforce safely sealed the reactor buildings. That year, we also declared all Magnox reactors fuel-free, with the final fuel removed from Wilfer. In 2021, Nuclear Transport Solutions recycled 100% of a nuclear transport vessel for the first time. Later that year, Magnox became an NDA subsidiary, and we were entrusted with the future decommissioning of 7 AGR sites. Operations are brought to a close in 2022 at Sellafield's Magnox reprocessing plant after 58 years. The following year, the first simultaneous waste retrievals were achieved from Sellafield's 4 legacy ponds and silos. In 2023, we joined Dounreay with Magnox to form Nuclear Restoration Services, completing our group structure. And in 2024, work began to cap historic waste-filled trenches and vaults at our low-level waste repository. 2025, a year of anniversaries. As the NDA turns 20, DRS celebrates 30 years, PNTL reaches 50, and Dounreay marks its 70th year. Our mission will be complete when we have eliminated all the high hazards and released all of our land for future use.